thank you so much, Mr. Roy and Sir Maro, for, of course, decorating my home, making it a better place, but of course, smiles. Thank you so much. More power to everyone.
Hi, this is Meryl Sarasa at gusto ko lang batiin ng isang happy 11th anniversary ang aking excellent home decor family. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo for making my home excellent and for being a part of my house and my home and for always being there for me. Maraming salamat. Most especially kay Sir Noy. Sir Noy, thank you talaga sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin. You are a part of my family and mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat dyan. Happy anniversary and may you help more people. God bless you always.
To excellent home decor, happy 11th anniversary and more power.
Happy 11th year anniversary, excellent home decor. More years to come, more years.
Yo, this Bugoy Carino. Gusto ko lang po i-shoutout and batiin ng happy 11th year anniversary ang excellent home decor. Yan guys, grabe napakatagal nyo na. And sana marami pang taon ang dumating sa inyo and marami pang blessings ang dumating sa store nyo. God bless you, ingat and kita soon. Sana makadala ulit ako.
Congratulations nga pala sa excellent home decor for celebrating their 11 years in the industry. Ayan, sobrang happy ako na maging part ako ng team nyo and na magawa nyo ako ng sobrang ganda na curtain. And yun lang po. Sana mamit ko kayo lahat soon. And congratulations ulit. God bless.
Happy 11th year anniversary, excellent home decor!
Hi everyone, Gab Valenzuela here. Happy 11th anniversary to excellent home decor. Remember, you guys have made my place look so amazing. Actually, I'm happy because I'm some ganda ng mga curtains mo, ganda ng mga blinds mo. And I'm actually excited because I moved and we're actually ongoing project planning because of our new store. And I'm really so thankful for the quality and for the service that you guys have provided. So with that said, again, happy anniversary and I pray for more power, more projects, and of course, long-lasting years. God bless you.
To Ferdinand Noy Carlos, may you, your beautiful family, and employees of PhD or Excellent Home Decors be blessed more. Maging matagumpay sanang lahat ng mga undertakings mo para sa iyong pamilya at siyempre sa iyong napakamatagumpay na family business. To more fruitful and production years ahead. God bless at muli, happy 11th year anniversary sa EHD.
Hi guys, at hello sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng Excellent Home Decor. Happy anniversary sa inyo, 11 years, grabe. Sobrang hindi biro yun and hopefully maging successful kayo and God bless kasi deserve nyo yun. Alam ko lahat nahirapan ngayong pandemic pero sana makabawi na kayo. So, yun, congrats. Saka sobrang solid ng mga products nyo.
Here at Excellent Home Decor, we provide only the top quality products and services to ensure the satisfaction of our clients. Given the current situation, we make sure that our people are safe and healthy to assist our clients. When visiting our showrooms, clients are requested to wear their face shields and face masks.
Alexa, turn on lights. Okay.